Men, and I use the term loosely. I got a set of cams I'm going to show you here one at a time. I think they're jacked up. We're going to have a little contest. I'm going to show you the same things I was looking at and see if you could tell what I think the problem is. So this is a number 4. We'll look at the number 4 first. Notice the profile. It does say, I'll turn it around here. It does say 4P on it, so I do believe this is a set of P cams. But I looked at these, I took them out and I looked at them, and I looked at them just like this, and I thought, well, that ain't right. What do you think it was I was looking at? I'll tell you, on this one, the surface is good, looks okay, the bearings look okay, the bearing journal looks okay, but just looking at it, you know, head on, the profile view, I think I see something wrong. This is number 4. Let's look at some of the others. Okay, here's the 3. And once again, I look at the profile, and I think I see something wrong with this profile. I mean, I'll try to rotate it around here so you can see everything I'm seeing. Now, this one here has got chowder marks on it, and I think it's down through the case hardening and it's starting to come apart. So this one is no good because of this, okay? But that's not what I'm talking about. The problem I see is a problem I see when I look at the end view and the profile. But anyway, it was, you know, I'll just spin it around over here. You guys could see everything I'm seeing. So that's the 3. No particular order, just kind of grabbed them. Okay, here's the number 1. And the number 1 also has the case hardening screwed up, and it's down through it, and it's starting to come apart over here. So this one is no good because of this. But there's something else. And you could see it right there. What do you think the problem is that I'm seeing with this cam? And once again, I'll spin it all the way around so you could see the whole thing. This one might not be as jacked up as the other 3, well, other than it's got the chowder marks on it. But it might not be as jacked up as the other 3. But anyway, this is a contest. I'm going to give away coffee cup and stickers to the first guy who guesses what I'm seeing. Here's the last one. This is the number 2. 2P. What do you guys think is wrong, if anything, with this cam? And this is, you know, this is, like I say, I look at it head on. From my direction, this is head on. From your direction, that's head on. But I look at it head on, and I see something that I think is wrong with this cam. Add it in the comments. Tell me what you think it is. And the first one I see where the guy gets it right, you're going to get an Ironhead coffee cup and an Ironhead sticker. If you don't happen to win and you still want a coffee cup and a sticker, you could buy them. See the links below. But yeah, I think this cam is no good. I think this cam is no good. You guys are seeing everything that I'm seeing, and I'm showing you the area that I think you could see the problem in. So you think you know P cams? Tell me what you think is wrong with this cam. Anyway, results will be posted in, I don't know, 4 days, something like that. I'm going to put this video out on a Wednesday, and on Sunday I will announce the follow-up and show you what I think is wrong. And with that, I am out of here.
Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. You know, I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.